Hello and welcome to Dad's Farmalls. Today we're going to introduce you to Dad's 1948 Cub. It's serial number 14273. It was made in early 1948. It's a nice little Cub for being as old as it is, but we're going to have, we've got some work to do on this one. I took off the front lifter, and there's a couple other things. The starting and the choke rods are off of it right now from when I was cleaning it this fall. But like I said, it's a nice little Cub. I had problems with it starting this last fall. Found out that the rotor in the distributor was bad, so we replaced that and it started right up. We'll take her for a spin here in a minute, but before we do that, some things that I know that need to be done is the wiring needs to be redone. We've got some bare wires in here that need to be taken care of. The battery wires need to be replaced, and stuff like that. But one other thing I know the carburetor needs to be rebuilt because I'm getting some gas leakage out of there when I'm choking it, so I need to get that fixed. But all in all, pretty nice Cub. Seems to do a good job. I haven't ran this one very much. Like I said, I had it in the garage this last fall, and just finally got it out here later this year. But let me see if I can't get her started up, and we'll take her for a little test drive. This will take me a second because I got a starter on one side and make sure she's in neutral. Give her a little bit of a choke. Car tried up real nice. I choke back. And let's take her for a quick spin. First gear isn't too bad. One of the issues with this Cub is that our front wheels start to shake. There's a lot of play in the front wheels when we're in third. There you go, you can see kind of there, they're bouncing around a bit. Reverse is nice and smooth. Like I said, the only gear I kind of have an issue with is second. Kind of has that ticka 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 sound to it. There you can hear it. Go ahead and turn her off here. So that's the 1948. Like I said, it's a nice little Cub. Past, like I said, getting the wiring redone. All the fluids need to be changed in it. Both the 65 and the 48, they both take the same attachments. So the mower decks, the plows, planters and stuff that we got can go on either one of them. But with the 65, with everything working great on that, and I'm just kind of using that around the house to do the lawn mowing and the snow plowing and stuff like this, I'm considering taking this one and at least doing a partial restoration on it. We'll see how far it goes. But this one might get parked for a little bit and get some work done on it. So at least that's the thought for right now. And we'll see how it goes. If you guys like this stuff, if you want to follow along and see what I'm doing with these tractors, go ahead and subscribe. Give me a like or a comment or what have you. That happens on the world of YouTube. So anyway, thank you much, and we'll see you on Dad's Farmalls again.